Hi, welcome to Breathe Well Coaching. This is a 7-minute guided breathing meditation to help you surrender, let go, and connect with your inner observer. That ability to think about what you're thinking about and to connect with what you're feeling without getting overly attached to it. Just creating a little more space between you, your thoughts, and your emotions. And in that space, we can really find peace and we can find connection to what our next action should be. So a lot of clarity can come from this type of meditation. So find that comfortable place to sit or lie down. Let your body begin to settle wherever you're at. Close your eyes if you feel safe to do so. And then gently bring your attention to your beautiful breath. There's no need to change it, just notice it. Inhaling through your nose and try to exhale slowly through your mouth. Notice the sound of your breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Allow each breath to just ground you in this present moment, to bring you here and now. Let's begin with a gentle breath pattern. Inhaling, relaxing the neck and shoulders for 4 seconds. You'll hold your breath for 2 seconds, and then you'll exhale for 6 seconds. And we'll repeat this pattern a few times, and I'll guide you through it. When you inhale, just try to feel your breath in that rib cage area, stretching the ribs on the inhale and then softening on the exhale. Keep the neck and shoulders relaxed. We'll breathe in for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in through the nose 4 seconds. Hold. Breathe out through the mouth for 6 seconds. Take your time. Exhaling, blowing the air out, feeling a little hug. Breathe in for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I want you to do 2 breaths on your own. Do your best, not perfection. We're just looking for you to guide yourself here in this 4-second inhale, 2-second hold, 6-second exhale. And then as you're finishing up this last breath, when you're done, just release control of the breath. So let go of counting, let some of the pressure go, and just come to your natural breath, preferably in and out of the nose. Not trying to control your breath now, just settle in, let go of that control. And I want you to imagine yourself as an observer, watching your thoughts and the emotions and feelings that you might have, watching them like clouds just drifting across the sky. They come, they go. You are not your thoughts. You are not your emotions. You are just the witness, the observer. Try not to attach or judge. Try not to resist or criticize. Just notice what you're thinking. Notice what you're feeling. If a strong thought or emotion arises, simply breathe into it. You might gently ask, "What are you trying to tell me?" Why am I feeling this way? And stay curious, stay kind. Meet whatever arises with compassion, with kindness, just like you would a good friend or a loved one. Give the same kindness and respect to yourself in this practice. And as you witness your thoughts and emotions without forcing or resisting, notice if there's anything you'd like to release, to let go of. Notice if there's anything you want to embrace and take hold of. Allowing you a place where you can choose. So when you create that space, you create a little bit more ability to take more intentional action. Your thoughts and your emotions, even the bad ones or the negative ones, don't have to be that way. They can just be data. They can help us make better decisions. So just notice what you're thinking, what you're feeling, what you're coming to this practice with. And as you breathe and you kind of sit with it and you look at it, you witness it, start to see if there's an action you want to take. And sometimes that action is accepting or letting go. Sometimes a clear next step might come to you. And sometimes nothing needs to happen, and that's okay too. Just keep breathing. Stay with me. And just feel the space we've created within you. Space to choose, space to pause, space to be. When we're so busy and rushed and we're so filling our day with so much action, we don't take time to slow down and connect with what we're thinking and feeling. So if this is new to you, thank yourself for trying something new out. You can come back to this practice whenever you'd like. And when you're ready, we're going to gently bring some small movements to our body. You can rock your neck side to side. You can move your fingers. You can stretch. Sometimes people yawn. Whatever comes to you. You might laugh. And then when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Notice the space that you're in, connecting. Try not to disassociate or leave your body. Stay with your body. Stay present. And carry this peaceful awareness with you as you return to your day. Thank you so much for being with me for this mindful meditation. And if you liked this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and breathe well.